What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at the Orphek Atlantik V4 Compact over the new basement frag tank. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you hit up Tom at Orphek. I will leave the link to his email in the description below. So let's go downstairs and take a look. Welcome back. So I'm down in the basement, and this is the JBJ frag tank. Just got done setting up the Orphek Atlantik V4 Compact. I did end up using the hanging kit that comes with it. I got to clean it up a little bit, I got to cut the zip ties, but I did put the level on it. It's absolutely totally perfect, and it's up and running. You guys can kind of hear the fans a little bit. I do have to tidy up all the wires for it and mount it so that's all up out of the way, but I'm glad that this light is over this tank. This is the JBJ frag tank that's going to be downstairs. I have a lot of coral that I'm going to be getting for this, like I've said in the past. We're going to throw it in here and grow it all under the Orphek. This light is crazy. Oh man, like you guys can't see it, but it's really cool looking. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see how like there's so many colors, so many freaking colors. So, yep, like I said, what I plan on doing is getting a ton of different types of frags, LPS, softies, a few SPS, and I'm going to put them in here on tiles and just let them sit. Don't touch them. I'm not going to frag them, move them around or anything, and probably get a little cleanup crew and maybe one or two fish in here. But the coral that I put in here are going to be specifically for the Orphek. Again, I will leave a link to the unboxing of this light right there at the top right hand of your screen. So just wanted to do a quick video on it. The hanging kit was extremely simple and really nice. I like the way everything mounts. It made it real freaking easy. Super strong stuff. The light is kind of heavy. It does have some weight to it, but when I mounted these to the ceiling, I ended up just using a screw and a washer on it and going through their loops. You can see this piece of plywood has a ton of holes. This is my little project ceiling, I call it. What I ended up doing is taking piece of 3/4 inch plywood and screwing it to the floor joists in the ceiling above it so that I can mount anything I want to this. So now that I have it mounted, when I do go to clean it up, you guys can see here that I do have a piece of 1/8 inch Luan. Probably what I'll do is take that down, put a fresh piece up so you don't see all these holes, and then rewire everything up there. I'm probably going to make some type of wall on the backside so that I can put these wires behind it and hook them up with a Velcro and some zip ties, possibly just to make everything out of the way. But now that it's mounted, I have everything set up on the phone with the app. I just got to mount my little antenna there and start going and start getting some corals in here. So just wanted to show you guys real quick update on the basement tank with the Orphek. So that's it for now, everybody. Enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, I just want to thank you guys again for stopping by. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And while you're here, hit that little crab icon to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for any future videos or updates. And in case you haven't seen these two videos, you might want to click on one and check it out. Again, thanks for stopping by.